Hello YouTube. It's been a long time coming, but remember that old bike 10 years ago, the Rupp RMT 80? She's finally running. I actually got her a little restored. So I'm gonna give you a quick walkthrough of what we all did, or I guess the company did. Place in Ames, Iowa, as known as Skunker Restorations, fixed it up for me and got it running. They even did a little bit of cosmetic body work to it, although there was really nothing wrong. They powder coated the wheels, so they'll always stay that nice and shiny color. They repainted the battery cover of the RMT 80. It's looking really, really good. She starts up right on the first kick. I'll even show you guys running here in a second. Just give you kind of a quick little look of the bike. They're pretty darn rare. Not too many of them are running these days is what I've been hearing, so even fixed up the exhaust a little bit, made it nice chrome finish again. The lights and everything are all functional. I'll even give you some proof that the tail light even works. Just like that. It's only got 351 original miles. Horn still works. I'll give it a start here in just a second. See if we can get it started. Just like that. Runs real good. Only took 10 years. Thanks for watching.